Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make a tie. Start by choosing fabric, interfacing, and cut a 60-inch strip for a standard tie length before you begin sewing. Measure and mark a precise pattern, then press and baste layers together to hold shape. Sew along the edges, trim seams, turn the tie right side out carefully, and hand stitch the opening closed for a neat finish. Lay your pattern on the fabric on the bias so the tie will hang correctly and follow body curves. Smooth the fabric, pin the pattern, and cut with a rotary cutter or sharp scissors for clean edges. Mark notches for alignment and transfer interfacing placement so layers match when assembling. Keep seam allowances consistent and clip curves gently to reduce bulk before turning the tie right side out. With right sides together, stitch slowly along the long edges, leaving a turning gap near the narrow end. Clip corners and trim seam allowances to reduce bulk, then turn the tie carefully through the gap, using a blunt tool to push corners out smoothly. Press the tie flat with a pressing cloth, shape the blade, and keep the tie flat while hand stitching the gap closed for an invisible, polished finish.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.